Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ishan Kesavani and I will show you today how to convert any decimal number to a binary value. So let's start coding. First of all, I will be including the header file #include stdio.h. Now I will define a main method that will return an integer value. Let me write return 0 here because I will not be returning anything. So now I will require some variables. Say it is n for taking the input from the user, and then I will also require a variable count and a variable I for traversing through all the digits of the number. And now I will also require a binary array because which is of size 32 bits because I want to convert my decimal number into a binary number. So first of all I will initialize this count variable to 0. Okay, now what will I do is I will traverse through all the elements of the digits, and so I will be using the while loop. While n is greater than 0, this loop will execute until Rn becomes 0. As soon as the n becomes 0, this loop will fail to execute. So what will I do is I will just add the digits in my array, and what will I do is I will just take the remainder of my number and n by 2. So first of all let me take the input from the users. So printf enter a decimal number and scanf %d comma address of n, comma address of n. Yes, now what I am going to do is I am taking the remainder of the number. So for example, if somebody enters 5, then what will happen? 5 modulus 2 will give out to be 1, and that will be stored in the bin count, and initially count is 0, so it will be initially stored in the bin of 0. Yes, now it is fine. And then I will take the find out the quotient of this number. So n is equals to n by 2, and what I will get here, I will get the output as 2 because 5 divided by 2 will result in the 2. So now I will just increment the count variable, count plus that's all, and I want to print the statement. So printf %d binary value of %d is comma n and then a semicolon. Now I will print the binary value. So I will be using the for loop for I is equals to 0, I less than equals to count minus 1 semicolon I plus plus, and in that I will just print the binary digits. So %d comma bin of I. So now what we are doing here is we are first converting each digit of the number to binary digit. So let's compile this program and run it. So there is some error. Let's check out what are the errors. So I've written print instead of printf. So it is asking me to enter a number, say 5. So you can see that the binary value of 5 is 10. So now let's compare it with some other values. Say it is 20, and you can see that the binary value of 20 is 0010. So you have seen how simply we have converted any decimal number to a binary value, to its binary value. So please subscribe to our channel for more such programming videos. Thank you.